This initial solution will show you how to unlike all post photos at once on Instagram. You can view and delete likes on other profiles' Instagram post from your activity settings. If someone has deleted a post you previously liked, you won't be able to see it. To remove your likes from multiple posts, tap on your profile. Tap on this three line icon at the top right corner. Tap on your activity. Tap on interactions. Tap on likes. And now tap on select at the top right corner. And all you have to need, just select all of your posts from here one by one. And tap on unlike. Tap on unlike. And that's how you will be able to unlike all post photos at once on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.